Hello everyone, I'm Jared from Rokid Philippines, and today I'll be unboxing our Rokid AR Spatial set. Let's take a closer look of what's inside and explore everything that comes with it. So let's go! Let's start unboxing Max 2, the glasses of the Rokid AR Spatial. First, open the box by tearing along the seal and pulling it to the opposite side. Inside, you'll find the three main items: an envelope, a small box, and a glasses case. The envelope contains the user manual to guide you through your setup for your glasses. The box in the middle includes an extra nose pad and a USB-C to USB-C connector for the glasses. And of course, we have the glasses case. It's black, hard-shelled, and designed to keep your AR glasses safe and secure. Let's remove the protective film so the glasses are ready to use. Let's put it to the side. Next, we have the Rokid Station 2, the heart of the Rokid AR Spatial system. Just like before, tear open the label and lift the box. Inside, you'll be greeted by an envelope with the user manual, stickers, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a jelly case for the Rokid Station 2. Beneath the envelope, you'll find the Rokid Station 2 itself. Let's put the jelly case for our Rokid Station 2. Now use the USB-C to USB-C connector that you've got from the glasses to connect your glasses to the Station 2. Now you're ready to use your Rokid AR Spatial. Hello everyone. Oh, wait. Hello everyone. So this part of the segment, you can see the part where you can see my screen. So I'll try opening desktop apps and open docs and open TikTok and open Candy Crush. So you can see that I can watch TikTok, play Candy Crush, and work on my file with my Bluetooth keyboard. So now I can go entertain myself, do my work stuff, and play games simultaneously. So that's all for this demo. Bye-bye!